nth root of a complex number. Let Z be any complex number. Z be any complex number. Then let omega be the nth root of Z. Therefore, omega is equal to Z power 1 by n. Z power 1 by n. Z is, we know that any complex number Z equal to r into cos 2 theta plus 2k pi plus I sin theta plus 2k pi. Z is equal to r into, theta is not unique, so theta plus 2k pi. So r into cos theta plus 2k pi plus I sin theta plus 2k pi. So now omega is equal to Z power 1 by n. That is equal to r power 1 by n into cos theta plus 2k pi plus I sin theta plus 2k pi whole power 1 by n. So applying De Moivre's theorem, omega is equal to nth root of unity omega is equal to, that is r power 1 by n into cos theta plus 2k pi by n plus I sin theta plus 2k pi by n. Find the nth roots of unity. Find the nth roots of unity. Unity means 1. Therefore, let Z be the nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. Therefore, Z is equal to 1 power 1 by n. Therefore, Z power n is equal to 1. That is equal to 1 we can write, that is cos 0 plus 2k pi plus I sin 0 plus 2k pi. Because 1 is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0, it is not unique, so we can add the 2k pi. So 1 is equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. So that is equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. So Z is equal to, that is cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by n. Applying De Moivre's theorem, so we got cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. Here k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. If k is equal to 1, if k equal to 0, Z is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0, that is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. If k is equal to 1, Z is equal to cos 2 pi by n. Cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. If k is equal to 2, Z is equal to cos 4 pi by n plus I sin 4 pi by n. Therefore, let omega is equal to cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. And the nth roots of unity, the nth roots of unity are 1, omega square, omega 2 up to omega power n minus 1. Sum of the roots, that is 1 plus omega square plus up to omega power n minus 1 equal to 0. Product of the roots, that is 1 into omega square up to omega power n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1. Minus 1 power n minus 1. Next, we go to sum of the roots, product of the roots. The roots are, the nth roots of unity are, the nth roots of unity are, that is 2 pi by n, comma 4 pi by n, comma 6 pi by n. 6 means that is cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 by n. 6 pi by n and so on. So now the argument of roots differ by 2 pi by n. Next, to find cube roots of unity. Their solution, z is equal to 1 power 1 by 3. This implies z cube is equal to 1. This implies z cube is equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. So therefore z is equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by 3. So applying De Moivre's theorem, cos 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3. Here k is equal to 0, 1, 2. If k is equal to 0, then we got cos 0 plus I sin 0, that is equal to 1. If k is equal to 1, cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Next, if k is equal to 2, cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. So the roots are 1 minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. If omega is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, then omega square equal to minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Find fourth roots of unity. Let z equal to 1 power 1 by 4, but this implies z power 4 is equal to 1. So z power 4 is equal to, that is cos 0 plus 2k pi, that is 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. So z is equal to cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi whole power 1 by 4. Applying De Moivre's theorem, that is cos 2k pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. That is n minus 1. N is equal to 4, so n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. If k is equal to 0, implies z is equal to cos 0, that is 1 plus I0, that is equal to 1. Next, if k is equal to 1, implies z is equal to cos k is equal to 2 pi by 4, that is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2, that is equal to 0 plus I, that is I. Next, if k is equal to 2, then z is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi, that is equal to minus 1 plus I0, that is equal to minus 1. If k is equal to 3, z is equal to cos 6 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. But therefore that is equal to 0 plus I, 0 minus I, that is equal to minus I. So the roots are, that is 1 minus 1, I minus I. That is the fourth roots of unity.